Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure After Effects to export captions and SRT files, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe After Effects. Import your composition by selecting File and then Import. Locate your video file and click Open. Drag your video file into the timeline. Go to the window menu and select Text to open the text panel. In the text panel, click on the New Text Layer button. Type in your captions manually, or use a script if you have one prepared. Adjust the timing of each caption to match the video footage. Once you're satisfied with the captions, go to the File menu. Select Export, then choose Add to Adobe Media Encoder queue. In Adobe Media Encoder, choose the desired format for your video. Next, click on the output name to set your export destination. In the Video Settings section, make sure to select Match Source. Now, locate the Captions tab in the Adobe Media Encoder settings. Select Create Sidecar File from the options. Choose SRT as the file format for your captions. Ensure that your video codec supports captioning. When ready, click on the green Play button in Adobe Media Encoder to start rendering. Wait for the export to complete. Locate your exported video and SRT file in the specified output folder. You've successfully configured After Effects to export captions and SRT files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.